Okay, gang, I really need to get used to doing video, and it's just something I'm not used to doing because I get started in my work and then I'm like, oh, I gotta do a video. So now I gotta stop what I'm doing. So today I'm cleaning out the trunk. I have removed all of the carpet, all of the padding, all of the garbage, and now I am vacuuming out the trunk and all of the dirt and stuff, because this car, I think this car was sitting for about a year or so, so there's a lot of grass clippings and such. So let me show you what I got going on. So there's the trunk. You can see all that. So there's no big deal, easy peasy, right? And then that's all the carpeting. I'll vacuum it, and probably will hit it with the hose and get it clean. That piece over there, that's the matting. You can see that piece right there. That was that's a little saturated. This is all dirty, still needs to be cleaned yet. But yeah, good stuff. All right. So I'm getting back to it, and then this deck lid here, all this needs to get cleaned. So yeah, it'll be fun. All right, back to work. Catch up with you later.